Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's well and okay. The weather today is foggy. Yes, it's getting worse. Winter's definitely more or less around the corner now, and it's here. Basically, it's getting worse. The temperature right now is 15 degrees in this room. So I hope everybody takes care and keeps warm as best they can. What I'd like to talk to you about today is budgie play areas. Now, as you know, we've got a play area for Sammy. You can get different ones, all shapes, all sizes, all budgets. Now, the play area I've got for our Sammy, I'm sure you've seen it, but just in case, it's this one. It's got a swing, it's got a bottom, it's got a few perches. Oh, you can see it, yeah. It's got a few perches, and it got loads of perches. In fact, that is the whole setup of Sammy's play area. And it's only a fly away from her cage. Sometimes budgies do like to spend a lot of time around their own cage, their own home, like Sammy's doing right now. But at least Sammy's got somewhere else to go if she's fed up of doing the same thing around a cage. Now, with these play areas, you can attach toys, food even, to keep your budgie occupied. Now, this setup I've got I got it from Amazon, and it cost around, I'd say, £24. You can get cheaper ones and smaller ones. She's had a play area before, but and that was called Trixie. Now, that was less expensive than this one. I think that was about £14-15. I have got an old video to show you of the old Trixie setup, so I'll post that soon. But it's just something else for your budgie, somewhere to go and somewhere to play. You can also get other things such as, and I'd really love one for our Sammy, and they're shaped like a tree. Now, the ones I've spied are very, very expensive. I'd love to get one of those for our Sammy in the future. But I'll probably have to save up for it because they are about £100. So maybe a future thing. We'll see. Depends how good she is. Oh, I didn't mean it, Sammy. I know you're always good. You're always a good girl. So I'll look into getting one of those in the future. So I think that's all that covers it. Please, if you don't have a play area for your budgie, please consider getting one, because they get a lot of enjoyment and it keeps them active as well. Okay, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and please look at all the other videos I've done. Some don't include Sammy, but please check out all my videos on my channel. There's some great tips, tricks, and you just may enjoy them. Okay, hope everybody has a lovely day, and I'll see you again soon.